In this video, I'll show you how to make money from home testing websites and apps on uTest. So, what is uTest? uTest is a platform that connects companies with freelance testers to help them improve the quality of their websites and mobile apps. I personally love uTest because of its user-friendly interface, reliable payment system, and wide range of educational materials. On average, you can make around $12 per hour, and you're paid based on the type of test that you perform. The various types of tests you can perform on uTest include 1. Usability test. This test requires you to use a digital product such as an app or a website and provide feedback about its usability. 2. Test cases. This test requires you to follow a set of instructions to test specific functionalities. 3. Finding a bug. In this type of test, you'll be required to use a product and submit reports of the issues you discovered. 4. Bug fix verification. This requires you to perform a test to confirm a code fix. Let's look at how you can become a uTest tester. Getting started on uTest is very simple. The 5 steps you need to follow are: Step 1. Create an account. First thing first, head over to uTest and sign up for an account. They'll ask for some basic information to get you set up. Step 2. Complete your profile. This is crucial for matching you with relevant projects. Fill in details about the devices you own, any software subscriptions you have, and other relevant skills. Be honest and use the "I don't have any" options for things you don't possess. Step 3. Set up payment. uTest pays through Payoneer or PayPal. So you'll need to link your Payoneer or PayPal account to your uTest so you can receive earnings for your testing work. Step 4. Improve your skills. uTest offers a fantastic resource called uTest Academy. It has free courses and even live training cycles to help you hone your testing abilities. These courses will teach you everything you need to know about software testing, from finding bugs to writing clear reports. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to tackle those higher-paying projects. Step 5. Explore projects. Once you're prepped, dive into the project boards. You can filter projects by location to find opportunities near you. Don't forget to check out the uTest community forum to connect with other testers and exchange tips. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can start making money from the comfort of your home on uTest. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more money-making videos, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.